10 Japanese nature word. Tree, ki, ki. Please repeat after me. Ki. Good. Grass, kusa, kusa. Please repeat after me. Kusa. Good. Sky, sora, sora. Please repeat after me. Sora. Good. Cloud, kumo, kumo. Please repeat after me. Kumo. Good. Sea, umi, umi. Please repeat after me. Umi. Good. Mountain, Yama, Yama. Please repeat after me. Yama. Good. Forest, mori, mori. Please repeat after me. Mori. Good. Flower, hana, hana. Please repeat after me. Hana. Good. Valley, tani, tani. Please repeat after me. Tani. Good. Stone, ishi, ishi. Please repeat after me. Ishi. Good. Review Japanese nature word. Tree, ki. Grass, kusa. Sky, sora. Cloud, kumo. Sea, umi. Mountain, yama. Forest, mori. Flower, hana. Valley, tani. Stone, ishi. Great! Let's check how many words do you remember. Quick quiz. Number 1. Which one means mountain in Japanese? A. Mori. B. Yama. C. Hana. The answer is B. Yama. Number 2. Which one means sky in Japanese? A. Sora. B. Kumo. C. Ki. The answer is A. Sora. Number 3. Which one means flower in Japanese? A. Ishi. B. Hana. C. Kusa. The answer is B. Hana. Great! Today we've learned top 10 Japanese nature word. Fantastic progress. Hope you find them useful. Thank you for watching. ご視聴ありがとうございます。If you'd like our video, please subscribe and smash the bell. 動画が面白かったら、グッドボタン、チャンネル登録よろしくお願いします。 See you next video! またね